What is up, YouTube? Checking in from a beautiful day here in Arizona. We're gonna check out one of my favorite pizza Italian slash places in Arcadia area of Phoenix, just right off the 51 freeway and Camelback. So this is the Parlor. And there's a little parking lot here. Kind of come down this alley. And let's check it out. Right in the menu. Alright, gluten-free bolognese. Looking amazing here. Got a great whiskey selection too. All right, guys, another fantastic trip into Parlor. Definitely recommend this. Their pizzas actually are fantastic, but they don't have gluten-free pizza, which is a bummer. But they do have gluten-free pastas and some really good salads here. So yeah, really good central location here in Arcadia, Phoenix area. Recommend checking them out. Till next time.